Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program Chevy Trax key fob. Insert the key into the ignition and turn to on then OFF 3 times to enter programming mode. Stay calm and follow each step slowly, because timing matters for the vehicle to accept each fob. I will explain button presses, lock cycles, and when to stop trying if the car does not accept a fob. Start with the driver door open and the hood closed, then turn the ignition to on then OFF 3 times ending in on to enter programming. Press lock on each key fob within 5 seconds of the final turn so the vehicle can detect the signal. Wait for the door locks to cycle to confirm programming, and repeat for additional fobs one at a time until all desired remotes are synchronized. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like for more helpful car tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and stack neatly. They save time and keep your trunk tidy when you tote parts or lunches. I use them when I'm testing fobs or carrying tools, and they make life simpler. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the fob does not program, first swap in a fresh battery to rule out weak signal issues, then retry the sequence. Confirm the vehicle battery is healthy and that doors are fully closed, because electronics can behave oddly with low voltage or open circuits. If repeated attempts fail, try using the original working key during the process and allow a brief pause between cycles so the car's modules can reset before attempting programming again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.